thanks for joining me here in the attic. So pull up a chair, grab your favorite beverage, and we'll get to doing this giveaway. I want to thank everyone that has watched and commented on all my videos from February to March. I do appreciate that, and it is coming up on my 1-year anniversary here on YouTube on April the 10th. So I decided I wanted to do a giveaway back in January, and it started in February, and I told everybody then that the more you commented, the better chance you had at winning, because I would pick one random video throughout the 2 months, pull all the comments from that, and that would give you the chance to win the giveaway. I have digital prizes and physical prizes that I'll be giving away. Again, the digital prizes could be won by anybody, but the physical prizes had to be a United States address being mailed to. So if for some reason your name is called and you are not a United States resident, please let me know and I can change this to an additional digital prize. So without further ado, let's get on to doing the giveaway. For the video that I randomly picked, I had 8 names that I've added to this wheel of names. And the first giveaway I'm going to be doing, being that it's April Fool's Day, I decided I wanted to do things a little different. Most of the time you leave the grand prize to the end, but I decided I wanted to start off with the grand prize. So the first winner will be for the All Access Pass to the Paper Be Creative for her 2025 listings. The way I'm going to do the giveaway is each time I get a winner, I will remove that person's name from the wheel so that no one can win more than once. So let's get on to seeing who wins the shop pass for the Paper Bee. Congratulations, Froggy Ray Creations. Please email me to claim your prize. For the second prize, we have a digital kit from Crafty Dragon Creations. The way this will work is you will pick whatever kit you want off Crafty Dragon Creations Ko-fi site. Let me know what kit you've picked, and I will send you the link from Stacy for this kit. So let's see who wins the Crafty Dragon Creations kit. Congratulations, Angela Jones Quilts. The next prize is for the notepads that I made using my Celtic Spring kit. So let's see who will win this. Congratulations, Happy Mail Magic. You have won the notepads. The fourth prize is another digital kit from Crafty Dragon Creations. Congratulations, KICNCA 5410, you have won a kit from Crafty Dragon Creations. For the fifth prize, it's this June-tober folio that I made last year from the Paper Bee Creatives group. If you don't know what June-tober is, please go over, join the Paper Bee Creatives Facebook group, as we will be doing another June-tober this year, and it is packed with lots of fun. So for this folio, let's see who wins this. Congratulations, Sew Paper Crafts. You have won the June-tober folio. The next giveaway is for an all-access pass to my digitals that I will be putting out for 2025. Right now I don't have a lot of digitals on there, but I do plan to be adding at least one every month. So this prize is for my all access pass for 2025. And congratulations, TBRC Spirit. You have won the Lottie's Magic Attic All Access Pass for 2025. For prize number 6, and also what would be prize number 7, because obviously the last name will be getting prize number 7. Prize number 6 is another digital kit from Crafty Dragon Creations. And then to round off the very end of the giveaway, I'm giving away one of the very first journals that I made here on my YouTube channel with Crafty Dragon Creations design team. This beautiful purple single signature softbound journal will be prize number 8. So the first prize for prize number 7, the digital kit, is Cherry Henderson 1327. Congratulations, you have won a Crafty Dragon Creations digital kit. And that leaves us with prize number 8, the last person who has been with me here on my YouTube journey, I think close to the very beginning. Deidre58. Congratulations, you have won the purple journal. Again, I want to thank everyone that has been with me on this journey since I started last year in April. It has been a lot of fun, and I hope to continue to create more projects and tutorials for you, and I appreciate you all joining me here in the attic. To claim your prize, if you are a prize winner, you have 14 days to claim your prize. Do so by emailing me at lottiesmagicattic@gmail.com. That email address will be in the description box. If you want a physical prize, I need your name and address to ship these prizes out. If you want a digital prize, if it was a kit from Crafty Dragon Creations, please check the link in the description box for her Ko-fi site. Visit her Ko-fi site and pick out your kit. Do not purchase the kit. Send me the name of the kit you have picked out, and I will send you the link for the free kit. For the grand prize of the shop pass for the paper bee, I need you to contact me with an email address that I can send that link to. And also for my prize of the 2025 All Access Pass for Lottie's Magic Attic, I also need you to contact me with an email address that I can send that link to. Congratulations to all the winners. I appreciate all y'all's support over this past year of me being on YouTube. Your kind comments do not go unnoticed, and I appreciate every like, comment, and watch that I get here on the channel. I hope to be creating more projects and tutorials for you throughout this year, so be sure to hit that subscription button and the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I put up any new content. And until I see y'all again in the attic, y'all take care.